Welcome back, Slow Smokers. Brandon here. And tonight, we have some Peterson Nightcap and the cob, and we have an unboxing to do. Now, to be honest with you, I've already looked through the box just to make sure everything was in order and in line. So yeah, let's get right into it. I have a few things here. So let's get out of the way some of the frills. Got some pipe cleaners. I went ahead and tried some different ones. I like these just regular standard BJ Longs. They're just the standard version. I don't know if you can really see them well, but I like those a lot. I've been going with those. I have an Amazon brand that I've really been enjoying as well, but I was making an order, so why not go ahead and throw them on. And this is something I haven't tried yet, but with a couple of the new pipes that I've purchased, I think there'll be a benefit to me. And I went ahead and bought the tapered bristle pipe cleaners. So got some of those to try too, so I'll get back with you. Now, with that being said, knock it out of the way. Every time I order, that's my favorite tobacco. So I went ahead and threw a tin of Orlick Golden sliced on. And then nothing fancy, I've never tried this before, so got some plum pudding. Now I'm going to circle back around to this and open it up and give my first initial tin note smell. Man, that is delicious. Now I only have two more items in here. One is a pipe. And one, sorry, that was my pipe cleaner from earlier. One is a pipe, let's scoot this forward, so. That, and then of course we have gotten a DoorDash 40% off. I don't do that type of stuff. So we got a free beer machine, I guess. Pinter all-in-one brew and draft machine. I don't know about that. Get a free Buffalo Silver round with your $199 precious metal order. Now, I will tell you guys, I actually really do, in just a packing slip, I really do like collecting coins. That's something I dabble in myself, and I've got all my grandparents' and great-grandparents' coins, so that's something that's kind of neat. And then a 15% off orders of 75 for PNC, which might be cool. So, which one first? Let's see. Now this is pretty cool. Got a really nice packaging. So I do not have one of these yet. And I figured why not go ahead. It came with the purchase of this. You got a little deal on it. And I don't have one of these yet. So I figured why not try to order one and see what the quality is with a pipe. I know not much about this brand yet, so bear with me. But initially, very nice. Nice leather with a magnetic snap. And the inside for your tobacco. And it has two zippers. It's got one on the back, I assume, for maybe a lighter or a pipe cleaner. And then you have your main compartment for your pipe, that is. Now, I don't know if the pipe that I ordered is gonna fit in this thing, so we shall see. The pipe that I ordered is a pretty decent sized pipe. I don't know if that's gonna be okay for y'all, or we'll just try it. And here is the Viking with a word I can't pronounce, 500. Nice little brown sleeve. And let's get into it. Very nice sleeve. Nice little pipe. Nice big pipe. I don't know if you guys can see the freaking mass on that thing. I don't know a good way to hold it. Very nice. It's got a really good weight to it. And I've been eyeballing this pipe for a little while. I really thought it could have been bad. We just, we'll set it down right there. But I've been eyeballing that for quite some time now, and it finally went on sale, so I was like, well, why not go ahead and just order some, you know? There ain't no time like the present. And I figured it would be a good time to order it. And, you know, the wife was like, well, happy Valentine's Day. So I'm not going to say no at that rate. Let me see if I can position this in a way that you guys can see it a little better. There we go. That's kind of good, ain't it? But apart from that, I hope you guys' week has gone well. Hope you guys are enjoying yourselves. I guess it's still early to the week. It's President's Day. You know, and I can't tell you enough how grateful I am for you guys. Really, I mean, we are almost to 200 subscribers, y'all. What a magnificent goal that we've achieved with this channel. It's such a blessing to have a community like you guys out here that are able to just be a part of something cool. I'm excited to get this thing going though. I mean, I don't know if you guys can tell really how big the wall is on that thing. Here it is next to the cob, if you guys can see a nice little comparison. I wish I had something, or maybe here's a tin. I don't know if that gives you an idea, but thing's huge for maybe a mason jar. That's pretty big. But it's a gorgeous pipe, nonetheless. I really do. I'm happy with my purchase, to say the least. So, now I was going to open this plum pudding up and do a tin note, but since I have the Peterson Nightcap in my pipe and kind of have it in my air right here, I don't think I'm going to do that right off the bat. I'm so excited to try this though. Everybody raves about it. You know, I have a few buddies once more with the community that said that they were very kind of disappointed with it. It just didn't really work for their palate. But for me, from everything I've read and researched on it, I'm very excited to see what we think of it. So I would love to know you guys' thoughts on my haul and what you thought I got. I don't know if you have any questions about anything or want to see anything up close, up closer. Please don't hesitate to comment and ask to see some things up close and personal. I'd be more than happy to either send some pictures over on the Facebook group that we have, or I can just post some to the community page or make a short or something and tag y'all in it and show you what the details are on some of this stuff. But gentlemen, ladies, if there is, I am I'm gonna go ahead and get off here. So I wish all of you blessings to you and your family. Happy President's Day. And till next time, slow smoking.